KDP or Kindle Direct Publishing. So this is a way for you to be published without having to find a publisher. Because on Amazon, you can write a book. I know people who sell literally blank books. They literally do journals with nice covers and nice quotes on them, or do, things like one of my friends, who I won't name, she's got a series of diaries that are your zodiac. And all this, they've all just got a slightly different cover. The insides are just diaries, so it's almost blank pages. So you can actually do that with Kindle Direct Publishing. You don't actually have to go and print your own books. You just load it up. And you can do fiction, you can do non-fiction, you can do study guides for kids, you can do, as wide as your imagination is, you can create something. And it's very inexpensive to do this. And the other beautiful thing about it is once it's done, it's there and it's there forever. So it can be a long-term passive income. I know people who've written tiny little guidebooks to some obscure niche and they're ticking over. They might only sell a couple, a month. But if you've got enough of those, doing a couple of months, then
that's a great additional income.
It becomes serious money, right?
Yeah.
And you don't have to invest in any products. Your investment with KDP is your time and your imagination. Now, if you're writing a novel, which you can, again, you don't need any particular type of experience or any training. You can just upload a Word document. You can get it formatted. There's people on Fiverr that can help you to do that. You can get a ebook cover designed pretty easily. So you can use Kindle to sell your books either in a downloadable form or Amazon has a print on demand. So if somebody actually wants your book in a hard copy, Amazon will print it for you when somebody buys, and then they will send you money for it. So
that sounds amazing.
So that's a really great way. Again, it's like with all of these things, they're all simple. None of them are easy, and they all require a different skill. So it depends on what your particular skill is. That's where you might want to consider. So if you're somebody who's good with words or is creative in that way, then writing little ebooks or novels or children's books is a huge niche. Coloring books were huge for a while. And again,
that's
design them, upload them, right?
Yeah, so that's what my friends do. They go to Canva and then you can design your e-templates, and then they have book templates as well. So feel free to use them if you are looking to explore this option. And I think adult coloring books is something which is blowing up currently. So I have seen that my friends go on Canva and then they digitalize the art and then they upload it for printable coloring books. So that's a really good suggestion, Regina.
Yeah, so that's KDP.
Hey, it's Ria Mikkel here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to Seller App's main YouTube channel, where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.